In a town not too far from where you live, a young family has just moved into a new home. 3 years ago, even the smallest house seemed completely out of reach. Right down the street, one of the neighbors just bought himself a new truck with all the options. The factory down by the river is working again. Not long ago, people were saying it would probably be closed forever. Just about every place you look, things are looking up. Life is better. America's back. And people have a sense of pride they never thought they'd feel again. And so it's not surprising that just about everyone in town is thinking the same thing. Now that our country is turning around, why would we ever turn back?